you want to start herbs
Mm-hmm.
and maybe some vegetables. So I'm suggesting, since you're new, right here.
Yep.
Just here. Get your soil tested, because you're with the old house, you're not sure about that, the lead. So
Mm-hmm.
that's cool. Do that first. Then it's chives,
Mm-hmm.
oregano, thyme,
Okay.
sage.
Yep.
Okay. You can then do annuals of like rosemary,
Mhm.
cilantro, basil.
Okay.
Some people bring their rosemary in.
Yeah.
I don't do that. But anyway, I think it's great. Then if you like that, if you're
Mhm.
into that, then you can keep going this way.
Mm-hmm.
And then just go slowly, though. Don't take on too much.
Yep.
Like you're saying, you're conscious of that. And also you could try vegetables in a pot, like tomatoes, beans, whatever. And then if you guys are into it, then
Mhm.
yeah, take it all over. My thing is, like, just be mindful that you have bad things in here, like
Mhm.
bittersweet, and the spirea will take over. And you can move any of these perennials somewhere else, like the phlox, the lilies, the whatever else you have in here, the button, and the wild violets even.
Mm-hmm.
But be careful of the Virginia creeper.
Yep.
This guy with the 5 leaves. Okay, and wear the protective
Mm-hmm.
gear, as I said. Okay.
Perfect.